You already know. Don't forget to subscribe, all right? Dear Diary, I have been plunging now for a couple of months, but when I first started plunging, I did not have a cold plunge chiller like I have today. I used to use frozen bottled waters. I would get gallons of water and freeze them, and I also used store-bought ice, and I would then get the temperature down where it needed to get. And let me tell you, it took me hours, but I did it week after week so that I could make sure that I was actually committed to this. Once I decided, yes, this is something that I want to make a habit, I then made the investment. I bought a cold plunge chiller, and so now the chiller, it cleans the water and it gets the temperature right where it needs to be. Now, it wasn't inexpensive. It cost several $100s, but what used to take me hours now takes me minutes. As I was watching the water cool one morning, I started thinking about how easy it is for us to invest in everyone else, but how hesitant we are to invest in ourselves. Because I know I was spending money on ice week after week, and frozen bottled waters took a lot of time. It was a lot. And then I was like, why don't I just go ahead and invest in myself? I would not think second about this if it were an investment in someone else. I started thinking about how easy it is for us to invest in everyone else, but how hesitant we can be when it's time for us to invest in ourselves, myself included. If someone else needs help, we show up. If a friend is going through something, we speak life into them. If someone is struggling, we're quick to offer encouragement or a helping hand. But when we're the ones that's in need, or when we're the ones that's falling short or feeling weary, that same compassion isn't always there. So we spend hours lifting others up, but we can't take 10 minutes to pour into ourselves. So I realized that what this chiller represents for me, it's not just a piece of equipment. It's a reminder that I am worth investing in. And guess what? You are worth investing in. Because the truth is, we can't pour from an empty cup. If we're constantly giving and never refilling, we'll eventually run dry. In Dear Diaries 5 and 6, I talked about letting go, about pruning and releasing what's dead. But once you've pruned, once you've cleared the space, now it's time to plant again. It's time to invest in the soil of your own growth. That might look like taking a course or taking a nap or simply speaking kindly to yourself. It might look like upgrading something that saves you time and gives you peace. It doesn't have to be expensive, but it does have to be intentional. So today, I want to encourage you to invest in yourself. You are not a wasted expense. You are worth the time, you are worth the care, you are worth the gentleness, and you are worth the love that you give everybody else. Because when you're full, you have to pour more. And when you're healthy, what flows out of you is healthy. All right. So as you know, we journal here. We have a weekly focus. And so for this week, I want you to grab your journal and I want you to ask yourself, in what way can you invest in yourself this week? It might be something physical. It might be something emotional or spiritual, something that reminds you that you matter too. Write it down and then commit to one small action that honors that investment. Until next time. You already know. Don't forget to subscribe, all right? We have videos that drop here every Wednesday at 5 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. And we also have our Threshing Floor newsletter that we'll be releasing every Thursday. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next one.
49-degree water. What? It's seriously like coffee and B12 has a kid. It's like this instant feeling of let's go at 8 o'clock on a Saturday morning.